Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and another room tour video, and today we are at Disney's Wilderness Lodge in Disney World in Orlando. And here we have a water view queen room. There are three of us staying in this room and there's plenty of space. We still just need to bring our luggage up, but let's have a look around. So starting, we have two very good sized queen beds, and if we're looking at charging ports, we have USB and mains in the middle, as well as some extra mains sockets down each side of the bed. Looking at the theming, obviously this is Disney's Wilderness Lodge, so it's all well, obviously wilderness themed. Swinging around on the other side, we've got two tables. There's a nest of two tables there and a couple of chairs, as well as your TV and your drawers. There's 6 good sized drawers here to put your stuff in. Everything's very good condition. Moving along, we've got the ice bucket and coffee Keurig machine and your supplies in the drawer. And underneath that you have your fridge, which we've got our mugs in for the time being. Next to it you have a wardrobe. So in the first one you have a steamer and your safe, and next to that your wardrobe and your luggage rack down there. At the main entrance, a full-size mirror, as well as your air conditioning unit at the front door. Looking into the bathroom, we have a dual vanity area, a lovely sized mirror and a vanity mirror next to it. And in here is your toilet and shower. You have two parts of the shower. You have your rainfall and your handheld, and of course your Disney products. That down there is your towel mat for when you step out. 2 towels there, plus 2 more down there, and some more Disney products, bath soap and body lotion. And just if you're wondering, this is not all open. The door to the main bathroom area is a slidey door there, which closes. It has the mirror on. And if you want to close this door off, the door is in here. All you do is push button to pull that, and that closes your door, and you can lock it from the inside. And that's the room. We've literally just got in. The other two have gone down to get the bags, so this has gave me the opportunity to show you this room before anything happens. I just need to show you outside next, just to show you what this water view room is. Now the thing I'm not sure about is how often the housekeeping is. I will put on screen now if I'm wrong, but at the moment I believe it's now daily. The moderates and values are still every other day, but this one, from what I can tell, is daily. If I'm wrong, I'll put it in big words on the screen saying that it's every other day, but there's nothing in here like when I stayed at Port Orleans, which says it's every other day. And by the looks of the number of towels we have, we don't have enough to, if we wanted fresh ones each day. So that makes me think it is now daily. I'll just show you the outside. So this is room 3017. It is a water view room. Your water view is more likely going to be internal facing than external, because I think you pay a bit more for the external facing ones, but you can see there's plenty of space. It's a nice deep balcony with 2 chairs and a table. And the view is of the pool. Just down there is your quick service where you can get your drinks, coffee in the morning, and then the main lobby is just around there as well. That is, you can tell, that's closed and you can't hear a thing. Soundproofing is on point, excellent. But that is it for this room tour. The room is really lovely and big. There's a lot of space here. There were some concerns if 3 of us would be okay, because I couldn't remember how big. The last deluxe resort I stayed at was 2 years ago at Animal Kingdom, and I couldn't remember quite how much space there was, but there's absolutely plenty here for 3 adults. If you have any questions about this room or this resort, please leave below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. We are here for 8 nights and we are on the Disney dining plan, and if you're interested to see how that works out, there is also a vlog of this trip available on the channel, so do feel free to go and watch that. If this has been of any use or help to you, please do hit that thumbs up, it really helps. And if you want to subscribe, please feel free. It's of course free to do. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
I'm a rocket, I'm over the moon.